So in today's video, we are going to look at converting a model from SolidWorks into a drawing file that's suitable for laser cutting. So to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my saved model. So I'm just going to click on open, and I'm just going to open my acrylic photo frame just here. Now, when we take a look at this, we can see that at the moment it isn't suitable to go onto the laser cutter. And the reason for this is it's a three-dimensional object, and the laser cutter will only work on two-dimensional objects. But I can change this by using the drawing function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to New, and this time I'm going to select Drawing from the list. I'm going to click on OK. Now A3 should be more than big enough for most projects, but you can see that we can go to A2 and A1 and even A0. However, the largest paper size that the laser cutter can fit comfortably is A2, so I wouldn't go any bigger than that. I'm just going to click on A3 and click on OK. And you'll see that a drawing screen looks very different to a modeling screen, in that instead of there being a space, there is a piece of paper with a border and a title box on there. We can also see that because my acrylic photo frame was already open, it has appeared in the model view toolbar down this side here. If it doesn't appear, I can just simply click on browse and go and find the file that I want. So now all I'm going to do is just double click on the acrylic photo frame, and that's going to open up my different options. Now, when we have a look, I've got some different views that I can use, and the view that I want to put in is a flat pattern. This is going to automatically fold out my photo frame into a flat piece of plastic, and that's going to make it suitable for cutting. There are a couple of other things I need to check though. The first thing that I need to check is the scale. You can see here that the scale is 1:2, which is half normal size. The computer has done that automatically if we have a look at the size of my picture here, so that it will fit on easily. But I can change this by clicking Use Custom Scale and just changing the scale to 1:1. You can see now my piece of work doesn't fit on the page, but I can flip it 90 degrees and it will fit there. Okay, so once I've decided that I'm happy with the position of it, I can just click on OK. And you can see that my image is being folded out completely flat, and the only evidence that it was ever folded are these instructions here on the drawing. I can click tick to say I've finished my projected view, and this is now ready to convert to a special file that CorelDRAW can read.